Let's plant potatoes. Want to grow the most delicious spuds? Here are 5 simple steps to follow. Pick your seed potato type about 1 month before planting and let them sprout in a dark, dry, well-ventilated spot until sprouts reach 2 to 4 centimeters. Next, prepare your soil with compost or Tui sheep pellets, then some Tui vegetable mix to plant straight into. Make furrows in the soil 30 centimeters apart for small varieties and 40 for larger. Place your sprouted potatoes about 25 centimeters apart. Cover them with soil and water them in well. Keep mounding with Tui vegetable mix and mulch until they're about 30 centimeters tall to protect them from wind, frost and sun damage. Use Tui potato food every 4 weeks to replenish the nutrients. Also make sure to switch up where you plant them each year and avoid planting them in spots where tomatoes were previously grown to stop disease spread. Happy planting! Fresh spuds will be on the menu before we know it.